In this video, we'll be looking at how to use the document register in SILQ. The document register allows you to manage documents associated with a matter. Every document that you generate in SILQ gets added to the document register. SILQ doesn't store documents in the program. It just creates a link or a reference to where the documents are stored in your hard drive or server. You can use the document register to find and open documents. To get to the document register, highlight the matter and then click on Document Register. The document register will now open up. Documents that have been generated out of SILQ will begin with Generated by SILQ. To work on the document, highlight the document and then click on Open Document. The document will open. If you'd like to view all documents in the Matter folder, including ones that have not been added to your document register, click on Open Matter folder. You can also get to the Matter folder by highlighting the matter from the Matters window and then clicking on Matter folder. If you would like external documents to be added to the document register, you can drag and drop files to the document register. SILQ will ask if you want to add these documents. Click on Yes. To edit the details of the document, double-click on the document and update the record. Once you're done, click on Save. To remove documents from the document register, highlight the document and then click on Delete Doc Record. SILQ will ask you two questions. First, it will ask you if you want to remove the item from the document register, and then it will ask you if you'd like to delete the physical file. You can click on Yes and No, depending on the situation. This concludes the video on how to use the document register.